Goodbye, KFC. You were always no good for me, and every time I ate you, you'd bring me to my knees. That zinger burger and wicked wings, those chips that were made of dreams, and to wash it down was a luscious cola drink. And it seems to me I lived my life like a fat boy in the fridge, not knowing what kind of food to grab when the groceries came in. And it was chips and lollies and dips and cakes every night on the couch. But the junk food ran out long before the salad ever did. So goodbye, Mickey D's. No more Big Macs for me. No more apple pies in the sun, or those sesame seeded buns. And even those double quarter pounders, when they hit my lips, there nothing in the world exists. And without you now, well, I think that I would die. So today I cry and say, goodbye to all the junk food in my life. It's time to go on a diet, because it seems to me I live my life like a fat boy in the fridge, not knowing what kind of food to grab when the groceries came in. And it was lollies, cakes, chips, and dip every night on the couch. But the junk food ran out long before the salad ever did. Come on, you fat shits. Yeah, because it seems to me I've lived my life like a fat boy in the fridge, not knowing what kind of food to grab when the groceries came in. And it was cakes and lollies, chips and dip every night on the couch. But the junk food ran out long before the salad ever did. But the junk food ran out long before the salad ever did.